Welcome to this brief forest visualization, designed to restore your peace and focus. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, imagining the crisp, fresh scent of a forest. As you exhale, let go of tension and distractions. Picture yourself walking along a shaded forest path. The ground is soft beneath your feet, and sunlight filters gently through the leaves above. Listen to the rustle of the trees, the songs of birds, and the distant sound of a flowing stream. With each step, feel yourself becoming more grounded and present. Imagine the energy of the forest flowing into your body, calming your mind and rejuvenating your spirit. Pause at the edge of a clearing. Take a deep breath in, drawing in the peace of this space. Exhale, releasing stress and fatigue. Silently repeat, I am grounded. I am focused. I am at peace. When you're ready, take one last look at the forest around you. Bring its tranquility with you as you open your eyes and return to your day.